Now we are on the ad group or ad set level. And here I at first want to talk about the conversion and the performance goal here. But at first we give this ad set a name. And the campaign name was, of course, to know what this campaign is about. And the ad set name is to provide other people or myself in a year maybe with the information about these settings here. So for example, about the conversion goal, about the timing, about the audience and the placements. And to sum this up, the ad set is basically to specify who can see our ads later. So if we then say here, for target audience, only people from 18 to 25, of course, nobody above 25 will be able to see this ad here. Or if we only place that on Instagram and not Facebook, or the other way around, of course, nobody on Facebook/Instagram will see that. So here it's all about who can see our ads actually later. Which means we have, let's say, 18 to 35, Austria, Germany, this is the location, and interests are sports. So this is the target audience for sports. Maybe only basketball. And Instagram/Facebook to know the placement. And the performance goal might be clicks. So this is about clicks. This could be a name. Of course, we can change that later anyway, because I'm not quite sure yet how the target audience will look like here. But when I'm finished, I should really change that name so that I know what this ad set is about. Let's keep it like that for now. Okay, conversion location. Choose where you want to drive traffic. You'll enter more details about the destination later. So you can run traffic not only on a website, which is the normal case, but also on an app or on the Facebook Messenger. Use this for WhatsApp or for calls. In this case, since we have a web shop, we want to drive traffic on that website. And then we also have the performance goal. And this is mainly to then have a look at the performance later. Because if we say we want to maximize the number of landing page views, then this is of course a different thing than maximizing the number of clicks here. So you also have other goals: maximize daily unique reach or the numbers of impressions. Link clicks is pretty obvious. Clicks on the link. Impressions is completely different. We'll try to show your ads to people as many times as possible. So that means that a person really can see my ads maybe 15 times a day. So really gets the ad a lot of times in his feed. While link click is more about people that are more likely to click on the link. Maximize number of landing page views. We'll try to show your ads to the people most likely to view the website. Okay, also pretty good. And the last one, maximize daily unique reach. We'll try to show your ads to people up to once per day, which means a lot of people, but only once per day. And here impressions can be that only a few people get it, but a lot of times a day. So different performance goals, which is very important and also for the reporting. So if it's about link clicks for you, you shouldn't go for impressions or you shouldn't go for unique reach, but you want link clicks, then just click on that, okay? So this is already important. Then we also have down here, show more options. And here we can decide if we want to pay for impressions or use link click. So you would pay per click or for 1000 impressions. In this case, since this is a new test profile, I cannot use link clicks now. Here it also says ad accounts owned by businesses new to Meta products can choose this option to pay for ads after several weeks of following our policies. So this you will be able to click on that after a few weeks only. Until then, you have to stick to the impressions or pay for impressions. In the end, I tested that quite a lot. It doesn't make a real difference. So if you pay maybe per click 40 cents, you pay for 1000 impressions probably the same amount. So how do you get charged? Normally it shouldn't make a difference, but if you anyway have the goal here to maximize your number of clicks, you should also pay per click. And if you have the goal to maximize the number of impressions, might be an idea to get charged for impressions. But in the end, as I said, the difference is not very big, but it's important what your performance goal is here. So this is more important than how you get charged. Okay, let's now talk about the dynamic creative here, which is another way to optimize your content.